these options, check out the monthly trending image on Shutterstock. First, let's look at the shot list. Most requested content of the month. You can click on the left side menu Insights on the Shutterstock contributor homepage and go to Shot List. You can check every month and see the most requested. See what's in need for September. Read this completely and suit. Plan for shoot demand and trending images on Shutterstock. A second option is to go to the Shutterstock homepage and check out the top stock image searches. Scroll down the Shutterstock homepage with your mouse to explore popular and hand-picked visuals. Check out the many category options above. Click on the images, scroll down with your mouse to see popular keywords, and see some great reference images. Also, click Photos once more to view popular stock photo collections and scroll down to see top stock image searches keywords. You're looking at a lot of keywords that you're planning to go to for a photo shoot. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel.